November has arrived, and with it a chance to make it a month to remember. Today at Memorial Stadium in Berkeley, the Arizona Wildcats seek victory number 6 as they take on the California Golden Bears. Is the running back, but Dinker will keep it into the end zone. Touchdown, Arizona. Well, we saw that run so well last week. Big hole left side. BJ goes in, and he'll hand off, and that's nothing. In fact, is that in the end zone for a safety? Cats want a safety. The officials have not signaled yet, and they call safety. See what he can do here from 53 yards. Here's the snap. Here is the kick. That one's going to have enough distance. Is it accurate? And it is good. 53 yards for Jake Smith.
That's a big-time kick by Jake Smith.
Scooby Ray with a shot at it. That comes inside, and he pays a price. Jared Tevis.
Dinker will take the snap. Fakes right, rolls left, throws, man open, caught at the 5, touchdown, Arizona. Handoff will go right inside Muhammad, and he stopped for no gain. Oh, what penetration there by Marquise Flowers. BJ straight back, here comes the rush. They go with a screen pass to the right side, over the 30, first down, 35 to the 40, still loose. Terrence Miller over midfield, down to the Cal 40, 30, 25, still on his feet and finally out of bounds. Dinker out of the gun. Dinker will keep it to the right, sprint into the end zone untouched. Touchdown, Arizona. Goff will take the snap, steps up in the pocket, pass thrown, intercepted, picked off. Cats have got it at the Bear 27-yard line. Takes the snap, rolling right, he'll keep it. Dinker to the 5, Dinker to the end zone. Touchdown, Arizona.
Goff was looking up top, didn't have it. Now comes to the end zone, doesn't have it. Brandon does, he goes down in the end zone. That'll be a touchback. Interception by Jordan Brandon.
2nd and 8 Wildcats. Hand off Kadeem Carey. He's got the first down and more inside the 35 and dives to the 30. Mark it at the 29. First down Wildcats, and that'll put it away.
Jake, baby, good job. Hey, good job, DJ.
Listen, seniors, I'm proud of you. You get to play at least one more game. But I'd rather play 2. Now listen, the more you win, the more is at stake. All right, now we got a really big one coming up on prime time Saturday night. Yes, physical game. Let's stay together. Be smart tonight. And tomorrow we're going to go through this game quickly, but then we're getting ready for UCLA.